Hello students, in today's class, as you see on the board, the topic is given there as loop. And what is a loop? Loop, the meaning of loop is just to repeat the things. Repeat the things matlab, like we have to follow a certain path up to a certain condition. As we discussed in the previous class, that is in the class 8, the looping statement, we have to continue our work till we reach a certain condition. Okay, so take the example, simple one, as I used to give. Suppose this one is in a school ground. Okay, and one round of this ground is equals to 400 meters. Okay, it's equals to 400 meters, and if you want to run 1600 meters, so what we have to do? We have to run this ground how many times? 4 times. Okay, so 4 times we have to run this ground in the outer circle. Okay, so that is equivalent to 1600 meters. Okay, that is equivalent to 1600 meters. So what we have to do, simply we are repeating the same path 4 times to get 1600 meters. So this one is called loop, that means repeating of same statement multiple times. Okay, up to a given condition, जब तक हमें जो desired result है वो follow up या वो वहां तक हम पहुंच नहीं जाते, that is the loop. Okay, in programming language, loop is divided into 2 parts, that is entry control and the exit control. So parts of the loop, before starting this one, I am going to tell you how to create a loop and what are the parts of a loop. Okay, एक loop में कौन कौन से parts होते हैं उसको मैं describe करता हूँ. Okay, so first of all, a loop is divided into 3 basic parts, and these parts are, the first one is initialization. Okay, Z or S, both are same. Okay, then second one is condition, and third one is update. Okay, so as you see here, the first one is initialization, second one is condition, and third one is update statement. So what is the meaning of the initialization, condition and the update statement? So the first one, the initialization means, I can say in the simple words, the starting point. This condition, I can say it as ending point. And this update means moving. Moving from start to end. Okay, so initialization means starting point, from where we have to begin. Condition means ending point, from till where we have to continue, and this update means moving from starting point to ending point, start to end. जहाँ से begin किया है, जहाँ start किया है, वहाँ से end तक पहुँचना, that is the work of update statement. Okay, so these 3 parts are there in a loop. When we want to create a loop, we have to follow these 3 steps. The first one is starting point, second one is ending point, and third one is moving from starting point to ending point. So these three parts are there. I will describe each and every part when I start describing the types of the loop. Okay, so depending upon the condition, we divide a loop into two parts. That is, okay, so depending upon the condition, we divide the loop into two parts. The first part is entry control, and the second one is exit control. Entry control and exit control. Now, why it is called entry control and why it is called exit control? The entry control, in entry control loop, we check the condition at the beginning of the loop. Okay, as soon as we start the loop, we have to check the condition. Firstly initialization, then we have to check the condition at the beginning of the loop. Means before entering to the body of the loop, we have to check the condition. Here, exit control loop, we need to check the condition at the end of the loop, when we are going out of the loop. Okay, like just traveling in the auto. What happens when we are traveling to the auto? When we get into the auto, we need not to pay. When we get down from the auto, then we have to pay. ठीक है, ऑटो में बैठने का पैसा कौन लेता है? जब आपको पहुंच जाते हो उसके बाद आप पैसे देते हो उसको. Okay, but what happens in the train? In the train, we have to pay before, prepaid you can say. Before we have to pay, then we have to use. Okay, like prepaid service of your phone. Firstly, we have to pay advance payment. We have to make for the rest of the month. Okay, and then we have to use the data. Okay, or use the service. What happens in postpaid service? Firstly, we used, and depending upon our use, we have to pay the things. So when we use gives the thing beforehand, that is called entry control. Just for your understanding. And when we pay afterwards, that is called exit control. So same thing in the looping also. When we check the condition at the beginning, so it is called entry control, and when we check the condition at the end of the loop, so it is called entry control loop. Okay, and there are certain types of loops, certain keywords which is used for entry control and exit control. So entry control is denoted with the help of, inside this we are using two types of loops. One is called while loop and second one is called for loop. Okay, and the second one, in the exit control, in the exit there is only one loop is there, that is called do while loop. Okay, so in this video I will stop the topic till here. Okay, and in the next video we will start with the entry control loop, while loop and the for loop. Only while loop will be discussed in the next video with all the required things. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day. Take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.